with Slick the Trader. Today we're going to go over how to trade a 122 Rev Strat using the STRAT by Rob Smith. Rest in peace to the creator Rob Smith. Let me say that. Okay, so today is what we're doing. All right, we got a one candle inside of three. That's your previous candle. We have a 2 down. So what we're going to do, and next thing you want to look for is full time frame continuity. So being that this is a shooter candle, an actionable candle, right? This is a hammer, right? So we're going to go here. That is your entry. This is your target 1. This is your target 2. What I'm going to do is activate this, like that. So when I go down on a lower time frame, I'm going to be looking for week 122 rev up. That way I know it's a rev strat when we move down to a lower time frame. And my broadening formation is already drawn here. So what I'm looking for with this trade, and when you play a 122 rev strat, once it breaks a penny over, we're looking for magnitude up. We're going to activate this drawn. This is what we will be looking for on this trade. So we're looking at a 122. It will go 1, 2 down, hammer actionable candle, break a penny over. We will take entry, and boom, we will ride that all the way up to our target, right? Which is 136.65. Go down to a lower time frame, like a 4 hour, what you're going to see here, we'll be entering right here. Well, next thing, go down to a lower time frame, see what happens on that hour, right? So your entry will be here, your stop will go right up below your entry. Like you can make your stop like here. Personally, where I would go. That my stop, just a few pennies below, a few cents below. Make this gray. We'll make that stop. Right, so then we go back to our weekly chart or our daily chart. Right. Hate when it does that. Alright, cool. So we got our stop right below. We got our entry. Boom, we enter 1 penny above, and as we're pushing up with magnitude, we'll be inching our stops up. When we get here, we activate it, maybe make it 50% right there. Then we might even go break even here, and so on until this trade basically, like we was on a weekly chart, we will be bumping our stops up. Even if this trade does this with magnitude, maybe rejects up here. What happened is, since we don't bump our stop up, let's just say the next week comes in and we get this, right? Activate. Boom. And we get that rejection from up. Well, what would happen is we would have been stopped out in profit right here. So we wouldn't even have to worry about it. So here's your 1, 2, and here's your 2. So it's a 122 rev strat. It is a very profitable trading strategy. As you can see, we got these broadening formations, which possibly we get magnitude up to here and probably project here, and that's what you get on the next week. And a 122 rev strat is a pretty good strat to trade because you had the consolidation, sold off, buyers brought it back up. You close that week like this, so you be going into the next week looking for a move. 1 penny above here, you're entering. You're hitting that. You hitting those options. You're hitting, the equity if you're trading equity, and you just riding this thing on up, and then you're just bumping that stop up, as you hit targets or get at a certain percentage. You like can put your stop here and then go to break even, and then, well, not break even, but target one, then target two. And anything after that is just extra. You can just keep bumping your stop up, and you're just looking for that rejection to take you out of the trade, and you let your stop take you out of the trade. So that is how you trade a 1-2-2 rep strat, bullish, and the same thing goes for bearish too. You will find a hammer that's inverted. Actually, that's the great thing about Thinkorswim is that if you put a negative sign here, it will invert the chart. So it will be, and this will be your reversal rep strat. Same thing. Boom. Boom. And that would be your targets. Same thing. You would go, change these. Weekly. 1, 2, 2. Rev. Down. And boom. You will be looking for the same trade. Same thing. 1 penny above, break under. Hit your target. And you will be looking for the same type of trade. So one trick that you can use with Thinkorswim, if you put a negative sign next to the ticket you put in, it'll invert the chart. So anyway, we're going to remove these drawings. I was just trying to show you. We're going to invert the chart back over. But it's just a perfect example of how to trade a rep strat. So there you have it. Hope that makes sense. You got a 1, a 2 down, and a 2 up. Once it breaks over this actionable signal, which is this hammer that we look for in the strat, push on up. Respect our targets. We taking profits, and we bumping those stops up. Once we start to see a broadening formation, we see how it acts up there. It could break over, or it could reject and come back down, but it won't really matter to us because we got stops in place. We're protecting our accounts. We're stopping out in profit, and we're going on about our day looking for the next trade. Great thing about this trade is actually a trade you actually can look at for the week of, going into, August. We got a new week coming in tomorrow, or today, the 31st, since it's at the 12 o'clock. We got full time frame continuity. So you actually can take this Amazon trade. If you look at this video today or tonight or by morning, you actually can look at this. Actually, you could look at this trade and probably take this trade when a new candle open on a weekly Tuesday. So if you look at this video before Tuesday, here's a perfect setup for you. Time frame continuity, bottom of a broadening formation, actionable hammer, and we'll just see how this candle opens on August 1st. So there you have it. Not only did I just give you a setup, but I also gave you a ticket to trade and keep an eye on. Now they do have earnings on August 3rd, so we might get a nice earnings run up. Now contracts may be juiced, who knows, but there you go. Full time frame continuity, bottom of a broadening formation, an actionable signal, and a new week coming in. I mean, those are all the things you need to check off a checklist for a A+ setup. Just a slick the trader. I'm a strat trader. Rest in peace to the creator and the founder of the strat, Rob Smith. He gave so much to the community of trading and just wanting people to win and want people to understand the market, especially retail traders. And I give much respect to him, and I will continue to teach the strat as I learn more about the strat, and the strat will live forever. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if there's anything you got any questions about or want to learn, and I will soon start doing one-on-ones, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever, to help people learn the strat even better. Thanks.